Hi guys, welcome to the Customer Support Business Planning course. My name is Govindra Shetty and I'm from the customersupportschool.com. So let's learn about the Customer Support Business Planning course in detail. Let me talk about myself. I'm a customer support practitioner from Mumbai, India, having overall 15 years of customer support experience in the customer support management domain. I'm also an author, speaker, and trainer in the field of customer support domain, and I have trained more than 1,000 plus customer support professional managers and leaders about how to manage the customer support organization effectively. I'm also working as a head of customer support department in a ticketing software company. I'm a certified HDR support center manager, support center team leader, and technical support professional. So I train on that courses as well. I'm a certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt. I'm author to book like Power of Customer Support Department Frontline Leadership, How to Establish and Manage the Customer Support Department. I'm founder of Customer Support School blog at the customersupportschool.com and also a Udemy instructor. So that's about me. Now let's learn about the detail aspect of this course. So what you're going to learn. So you're going to learn this whole lot of things. Like first, you will understand how to create the vision and mission statement of the customer support department. So every organization has their own vision and vision statement. So you will learn the organization vision and statement and translate those into the customer support department vision and vision statement. You're going to learn a detailed aspect about a customer support manager head who's responsible for the department. You're going to learn their job description in detail. You'll be learning about the leadership effectiveness which is needed by these people so that you can manage the people in much more effective way. You'll be learning how to build a solid relationship with all the stakeholders within the organization so that you can drive your process and your department aspect in a smoother way. Also, you will learn a lot of maturity stages which a customer support department has to undergo. This maturity stages starts from reactive stage and ends at the business centric stage. So you're going to learn all the stages, and also you are going to build a solid customer support business planning in alignment with the organization goal. So who this course is for? Very interesting. This course is particularly for new customer support head or managers who is entering the organization and is given an opportunity to establish new customer support department. And if you are in that category, then this course is going to help you a lot. If you're an existing customer support department head or manager, and you want to assess like whether you are following all the good practices in the customer support department or not, then this course is for you because you can assess your support department maturity state. And finally, if you are a CEO of any organization, then you may be interested to understand how to align your business goal, with the customer support department goal. If that is the case, then this course is particularly for the CEO as well. So that's about like who this course is for. Let's get into the deeper aspect, like how this course is designed. So this course consent is designed in three categories. The first category will talk about introduction to customer support. The second category will talk about the maturity stages of support center. The third section will talk about customer support business planning and strategy. So these are the three important sections designed in this course. So in the first section, like we'll take an introduction. Like in this case, let's say Rian is a new customer support head manager who's been hired by a customer support hired by an organization. So in this case, you will learn how his entry as a new customer support manager is going to help the organization. So he's going to understand the detailed job role about how he's going to manage the department, the entire life cycle of the support organization, and the various skill set, leadership skill set particularly related to run the department. So that all will be learned by Rian in section 1. In section 2, we are going to talk about maturity stages. So in this section, you're going to learn about all the stages which a customer support department go through in the journey of setting up the team. Like they start with a tactical stage. This is a tactical stage. It starts with tactical, in which like it's a reactive stage, and then it goes to proactive, then it goes to customer centric, and finally it reaches to custom business centric level, which is the top level. So as a customer support manager, you will learn all these stages in detail and how to identify at where stage your team is currently going and how to move from that stage to next stage. We are also going to take a detailed case study on the maturity assessment, to understand like what are the gaps you have in your current processes. We'll do a detailed aspect on SWOT analysis with an example of case study, which will be done on people, process, and technology of support department. And you will learn how to come up with detailed customer support business action point with the help of a SWOT and maturity assessment, so that overall goal of the organization is achieved. So all these things will be done in section 2. Finally, we are going to conclude this course by completing section 3, which is business planning and strategy section. In this section, we're going to take a case study to make you understand, how you're going to coordinate with your CEO, your business head, to understand their overall organization goal for the coming next 3 to 5 years. And accordingly, you can create your own department strategic, tactical, and operational goal, so that overall business goal of the organization is getting achieved. You'll also learn how, as a department head, you will deal with the service level management, operational level management, standard operating procedures, so that customer support business planning is effectively executed and taken care of. So all this will be covered in section 3. So with this, we will be concluding the training. Enroll to the course and learn how to conduct customer support business planning. Have a good day. Bye.